welcome to ISBN's exclusive coverage. I'm Oliver.
And I'm Caroline.
You're watching this from the annual auction in Gallup, but we're here broadcasting from the Independence Gym. Who doesn't love a special appearance by SOAR?
Over the years, generous donations from our community have funded countless projects, from musical instruments in the Funk outdoor classroom to a learning lounge with state-of-the-art equipment, to permanent shade structures, the environmental science lab, all aimed at empowering our students to reach their fullest potential.
Tonight, we're raising the stakes even higher. With your help, we'll continue to invest in athletic and physical education programs, ensuring our student athletes have the resources they need to excel both on and off the field. Let's take it to Jack, on location in the multi-purpose room, reporting on a very important story.
Thanks, Oliver. I'm in a multi-purpose room where lower schoolers like me have gym class. Take a look around. There's not much to see. We need your help. Now I'm going to send it over to Claire, reporting by the creek.
We're out here in the elements, highlighting a critical need for teams, proper netting. With your support, we can ensure that our athletes spend less time chasing balls and more time perfecting their game-winning shots.
Can you get my ball, Claire? It's in the creek. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5.
Thanks, Claire, for that very important investigation work. Sorry about the wet hair. Oh wait, this just in. Breaking news. We just received word that our athletic directors are holding an emergency press conference over in the gym. Let's tune in.
Teresa.
Mr. Vada, what do you think is the biggest need in athletics or PE?
Well, I think for athletics, we're looking to get our teams top quality uniforms. We want to help the coaches have all the tools they need to train their players. And we also can use extra goals, nets, volleyball nets. Those things actually transfer over to our PE department, and all the students in the school can use those as well. And we can also use extra supplies in the gym, as well as the multi-purpose room, for all of our classes to have everything that they need. Thank you.
I see. Thank you.
Mr. Mata, do you have any specific equipment upgrades that you would like to prioritize?
Yes, we would love to have more sports equipment for our recess areas and the Funk outdoor classroom, such as age-appropriate basketball hoops. Other helpful upgrades would be a baseball dugout and additional storage on our athletic fields.
Thank you.
Maddie.
Whoever wants to take this one, dream big. What would you love to do with our athletic facilities?
I'll take this one. We would love to put in a state-of-the-art track. We'd love to put in a turf field that all the students could use for PE, use for all of our athletic events. And we also would like to possibly turn that multi-purpose room into a second gym. Those would be our big dreams for athletics and PE.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, that's all we have time for today. Thank you.
Great stuff there from our athletic directors. Before you continue bidding on all those exciting items, we've got Rishi up on the soccer field. Rishi, you there?
Thanks, Oliver. I'm here with Lila, one of the captains of our soccer team. Lila, I can't help but notice your uniform is a bit...
Yeah, we really need some support in the uniform department. I mean, I'm not even in the right uniform, and it's definitely keeping me from playing the best I can.
Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Lala, for that exclusive. There you have it, direct testimony from the athletes themselves. Let's keep this momentum going.
The time is now to make a difference. We're committed to providing students with the tools and resources they need to succeed. That's why events like tonight's gala are so crucial. Join us in supporting our student athletes by donating generously to this year's paddle race. The more we raise, the more we can enhance our athletics and PE programs. Together, we can ensure their success for years to come.
Thank you and good night. Back to you at the Hagley Soda House.